Okay, here's how you restore your deleted Cash App account. So basically you want to go to this link, cash.app/contact, and here you will see a list of all of the different contact options for Cash App. So if you have another Cash App loaded onto your phone, you can follow these instructions right here and you can send them a message directly from the app. Or if you have completely lost access to your account, then you can call them on this phone number in these hours. And also you can try reaching out to Cash App on either of these platforms. So Instagram, if you just click on this, it will load up a new website and you can reach out to them like so. You can also contact them on Twitter or X, Cash App support, or Cash App and Facebook. Or the last thing, or the last option you have is contacting them by mail, but I suggest doing social media or the phone, which is going to be faster. You are going to explain the issue that you're having on Cash App, that you can't access your account and you would like to restore it if it's possible, and they will walk you through the process of restoring your account, but they will also ask some questions so you can verify that it's actually your account. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.